It's officially summer. It's time for warm lake days, spontaneous adventures, family campouts, and backyard get-togethers. Bring on the s'mores building, driveway cooking, reunions with friends, Saturday evening jam sessions, and lazy Sunday afternoons. For almost 75 years, Hasty Bake has helped you do summer right. Surrounding all those memories with the smoky charcoal goodness of juicy burgers, tender babyback ribs, and flame-kissed veggies. From the backyard to the backwoods, the tailwaters to the tailgate, there's a Hasty Bake for every one of your summer adventures. Hasty Bake, the official grill of summer.